Hello friends, welcome back to my studio. Hope you're well. I am not 100% today, so I apologise for how I sound. A few vlogs ago I talked about the pigments in the Titan Pale range and mixing up a whole lot of colours according to pigment in this. I will link the video in the description and put it on the screen. And so from that I did some colour studies, and I've shown those over on Instagram, so some of you have seen those before, and they were really interesting and some worked better than others. And today I thought I would show you another application for using those blends of colours using the gel plate. So I've been out in the garden and I've picked a whole lot of leaves because I think the idea that I have, it'll work well with the leaves. We'll see how we go. And here's the finished pieces. This first one was the original idea that I had in my head of how it would look. So that was good to achieve. And that's lovely and delicate. And so some aren't as successful. This one is beautiful. And yeah, because I had achieved, I think, what I had set out to straight away, it freed me up to just really experiment and get some really lovely things. This has lovely subtlety to it, a bit more abstracted than the leaf. Won't use that. This is lovely. I'll need to touch up. I'm not sure what happened there. I'll need to touch that up. And this one, again, lovely and subtle when you're using the pigments. You know, this is the Titan Mars Pale that has some of this brown iron oxide in it, which I've substituted for the burnt umber. And yeah, they're just a really lovely combination together. This one, I think, with this clear, if I hold it like that, you might see this white. If I use some gloss medium when I'm using this as collage, that should disappear. I think that'd be a lovely paper to use as collage. And this, I'm not sure whether the camera's picking it up. It's got really lovely subtlety again. And the final print that I struggled to get anything to show on top of that burnt umber. But in person, it's picked up a little bit of Venetian red that I had on the roll, or that was on the leaf. And yeah, it's really, really lovely. I think I can work over this, accentuate this horizon. I don't know, I might leave it as is, but yeah, I think in person that's actually a really lovely print. So out of, I don't know, maybe a dozen prints, I've got maybe half of them that are working as standalone things, and then a couple that can be used for collage, and then the rest, who cares? That's the nature of creating art, and you've really got to let go of having every single thing you do be something. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a lovely week, and I shall see you next week. Bye.